Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.1, first question, second subdivision. Alright, now let's read the question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, so here they are talking about air present in a cylinder. Okay, so for example, so there is a cylinder. Okay, so in this cylinder the air is present. Okay, so the air is present in this cylinder. When a vacuum pump removes, so there is a pump. Okay, so like you can just think a pipe. Okay, so there is a vacuum pump which removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, so in a time they are just removing 1/4 of the air. Okay, all right. So first of all, let's write. Since they are talking about air present in the cylinder, we usually call it as volume, isn't it? So let the volume of cylinder, let us take it as 64 L. Okay, so now you guys might be wondering, in the question they haven't mentioned the 64 liter, isn't it? So guys, in this question we are supposed to assume a value. Okay, if you want you can just take x and c. So it is much more better if you just try with the number. Okay, so I just took a value that is 64. Okay, why? Because here they didn't even mention any number. The only thing they mentioned is this one, that is 1/4. Okay, all right. So 64. So let us take it as 64. Okay, so the air present in the cylinder, the volume is 64 liter. Okay, so since I took it as 64, so they are removing. So okay, so they are removing 1/4 of the air. Okay, then I can do 64 into 1/4. Okay, so when I just solve them, so cancel. Okay, so when I cancel it, I'll get 1 here and here. 1 4 is 4, 2 balance, and 6 4s are it is 24. So we'll get 16, isn't it? Why did I do like this? Why? Because here according to the question, no, they told that when a vacuum pump removes 1/4. Okay, so there are 64 liter volume which is present in the cylinder. Okay, so 64 into 1/4 we got it as 16. Since they are removing, no, we can write 64 minus 16. Okay, all right. So there is a reason why, because removing means minus. Okay, so 64 minus 16. Okay, so just because the 1/4 of the air is it's removing, we are supposed to multiply it with 64 first and we'll get a value. With that value we are supposed to subtract it. Okay, so how I did it here. Okay, when we just subtract them, I'll get 48. Okay, so now I got a 48, right? So now we are supposed to do 48 into 1/4. Okay, so when I just cancel it, so 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, 4 2s are 8, so I'll get 12. All right, so now since I got 12, no, write this 48 as it is. So here as you guys know, they are removing, right? So minus 12, so it is equal to 36. Again write the 36, and since they are removing, subtract it. Okay, so with which number? So here again we can do 36 into 1/4. Cancel, we will get 9. So minus 9 is equal to 25. So the only aim is we want an AP here. Okay, so that's why we can just do it randomly like that. Okay, so no worries. All right, so here we got a AP, that is 48. No, first we have 64, right? So 64 comma 48 comma 36 comma 25. So this is an AP, isn't it? So I'll write it here. 64 comma 48 comma 36 comma 25. The only aim is we want AP, so no need to bother the numbers. Okay, all right. So D, first let us find common difference. So here A2 minus A1. Okay, so here this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. So the A2 value is 48. So 48 minus 64 is minus 16. Let us find for D2, that is A3 minus A2, isn't it? Okay. So A3 value is 36 minus A2 value is 48. When we subtract it, we will get minus 12. Next we have D3. So that is A4 minus A3 is equal to A4 value is 25 and then minus A3 value is 36. When we just subtract it, we will get minus 9. Okay. So now when you just check it out, we got the common difference. So here these are the common difference. Okay. So we got the common difference differently. That means we didn't get the same numbers, isn't it? Here we got minus 16, here we got minus 12, here we got minus 9. All the numbers are different. Just because the common difference, no, all the numbers are different, I can say it is not a AP. Why it's not a AP? Because no, not like that. So difference is not same. Difference means common difference. Okay, you can write common difference. Common difference is not same, that's why it is not an AP. Okay, so this is going to be our answer. So guys, here the process what we did is, first we took a random number that is 64, just multiply it with 1 by 4 and we'll get a value that is 16. Subtract it. Why? Because here now they are removing means minus. Okay, and we'll get a value. With that value, no, we are supposed to multiply it with 1 by 4 and then we'll get a value and subtract it. Like that we are supposed to do it. Okay, so here no, we can just take random number, no need to worry. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.